Hi, my name is Ryo.
Hi, my name is Ryan.
And we
make breastmilk jewelry and other DNA keepsakes.
It all started when I had my first child back in 2015. Back then, I was a very new mum, and I think a lot of people gave birth in that year because SG50. A lot of mummies were talking about sending our breast milk to makers in Australia and the US, where they were actually making these things called breast milk jewelry. And I personally thought that it was very interesting. So he said, why don't you give it a shot? Let's just try to do this ourselves. So then it became months of testing, experimentation, and because I was a low supply mom, so making a piece of breast milk jewelry meant a lot to me personally. But the problem was, because I was low supply, I did not have much breast milk to work with. So I went to Facebook, and then at that time, mummy groups were all the rage. So I actually posted in one of the groups. I said that I am actually trying to make breast milk jewelry, but I don't have enough breast milk, and I would really love it if, I can find some donors over here. And in return, I will make a piece of breast milk jewelry for you in case if I succeed lah. In like 1 minute, I had 300 responses to that comment, to the point where the admin was like, you need to remove your post. Yeah, so that was, I think, one of the very, very early signs that we knew that this could become something. Whatever that presented itself as a roadblock, I googled my way out of it. I think the hardest part for me for this business is because everything is handmade. Yeah, so I guess there will be some sort of expectation differences, right? Between what we can make using our two hands versus the kind of the final quality of the product the customer expects. So there are some cases where they expect the kind of like glass quality like Pandora, or like those store-bought kind of machine-made items. But ours, because it's really layers and layers of handcrafting. So if sometimes they will give me comparison like it doesn't look like my ex-brand charm, and I'm like, it will never look like your ex-brand charm.
A mother that came and asked us whether our item can last forever. So we thought that she wanted a lifetime warranty. I can't give you lifetime warranty because the metal part, right, is silver. It will rust over time. This is the nature of silver. All silver products out there is like that. So I said no lah, of course no lah. But turned out she got cancer and she just want to give this to her children, and I feel so bad lah. So end up we launched a series of design using solid gold, and solid gold can last forever.
Because breastfeeding is so demanding physically, mentally, in all aspects. Every drop really, really counts. So when you have an opportunity to really immortalize your own breast milk into something that you can keep and treasure, and it is a keepsake that you can look back on, to the mom, I think the sentimental value is no other human can understand. Because I think we went through our own loss of a child before, so we actually have this project, right, where we make one free keepsake for moms who have lost a baby in the last year lah. I always tell him this: what we have today is hard-fought peace.
Yeah.
Yeah, make or break lah. But so luckily for us, it was make lah.